so dark? Oh, 1 second. I know what's happening. I have you set for stream. Hello, good morning. Welcome back to today. A new day, a brand new day. Today I'm kind of excited for because, so while I was writing all my decorations, I was able to find a bunch of cords that I think I can use to make my stream so much better for the me of the world. It is going to, whoa, the sun came in and out and it changed a lot of things. But I found a bunch of cords that I think I could use to make stream more organized for me, make it look nicer, make my desk just like fit better. I found some screen holders that I've been looking for. I found a bunch of little things. So basically today's day plan is 1, clean the kitchen because it is a huge mess, and then 2, I think set up stream so it looks really good. However, I will say I am missing a couple things that I just can't find, so I think I'll be looking for those another day. So stream will not be like perfect, but it will be better than it ever has been. And I'm very excited for that. Okay, I'm gonna first make my little drink, which is just honey. No honey. It's just lemon and ginger and hot water, and I'm gonna drink that and I will clean up. Now I am sad because I still don't have a Christmas mug, but I will buy one. I will buy one this Vlogmas. You can bet your little bottom on that one. I'm gonna first get some water going. Mix and a mingle and a jingling beat. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell. I'm gonna use one of my all-time favorite mugs. Look at how perfect this is. This is a handmade mug, and if I can find like the website that you can buy these at, I'll link it down below. But look how pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? These are my all-time favorite mugs. I don't know why. They're just perfect. It feels good. It's a nice like little handle. It has like a cute little stamp on it. And it's just nice. I use these every single morning, so I'm gonna use this one. And since I drink this every morning, I do have a half a lemon already ready, but I'm just gonna take the seeds out because nobody likes a seed in their drink. Get out. Get out of here. Ginger. Some, I'll do it over here so you can see it. Some lemon. Ooh. And actually it's perfect to do it here because compost. Absolutely boiling water. I'm gonna put an ice cube in it to cool it down so I can drink it. I do this every morning because my nutritionist told me to. So cheers. It's too hot. Okay, we're gonna let that cool while we clean the kitchen. Rice can be put away. I don't have a spot for it. I'm gonna put it back here. Okay, I'm gonna do the rule of like the cleaning rule. So garbage first, dishes to sink, other items, yeah, garbage first, dishes to sink, dishes that are done away, and then clean anything else up. Let's go. Okay, I think garbage is done. So now it's dishes time. Which I probably should get the dishes from the living room. Yeah, I'm gonna go do that. And then we'll unload the dishwasher and then put everything in the dishwasher. Dishes. Okay, let's do the dishwasher first and then we can do other things. Sound good? I'm gonna assume this isn't done, so I'm just gonna put more stuff in here and call it a day. Just because it doesn't look clean. A mix and a mingle and a jingling beat. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell rock. I think the rest I'll just do by hand because it's not a lot and this is full up. So put one of these in there, turn it on, or actually I'll turn it on after I'm done because it's gonna be noisy. Let's start by putting away dishes and then we can clean dishes. Another one of my favorite mugs. I have a few of them. We got a couple. I think we got like 4, maybe 5. But I love them. Don't do this at home, kids. Don't watch me if you're a kid. That was not a threat. Ba-da-da-dum, ba-doo. Boo-dee-dee-doo-doo-doo-doo. Ba-da-da-ba-doo, ba-ba-da-ba-doo, ba-ba-da-da-doo-da-doo. Beat-a-boop, beat-a-bop, beat-a-boom, beat-a-boop. That's not clean. Even though we still have some stuff over there, it's stuff we have to put vegetables in. So I think it's best to do the dishes and then wipe counters, put the vegetables in, clean off our table, call it a day. Okay. Okay, so I have everything here now. Okay, so the kitchen has been clean. I have my vegetables all laid out. Now, sadly, I have lost my little grocery bags that are meant for vegetables, so I did have to use the plastic. And the place we shopped at had a lot of things just in plastic, so I try not to use too much plastic, but it is what it is. We have cucumbers, zucchini, a little bit of celery left, some peas, Brussels sprouts, and jalapeno peppers. Now, I couldn't find any broccoli in the store, which is wild, and I've never seen that before, but there's no broccoli. Well, okay, that's fine. There were 2 broccolis, but they were already gummy, like they were bendable, and they weren't good. So, this is freshly washed, this lovely cutting board, so we're gonna use that. And I'm not gonna cut everything. In fact, I probably won't cut most things, but I will wash everything. At least a preliminary wash, I think, is very much needed. That one's all done. Look, it has the onion on one side and the celery on the other. This one is complete. It has the beans, it has the zucchini. So now it just needs a lid. Perfect, easy peasy. And we can put this away because we're not actually using it. Like that. And then we can just put them in the fridge. And what I like about these is I can see what I have, and I know like all the vegetables are here and what I, like at a glance, I know what I got, which is really, really nice. And the other cool thing about this is I don't need to use the vegetable drawer where everything goes to die, because I forget it exists and then things get moldy in there and I go, right, have stuff in there. I will go have my tea in my favorite little spot, and then I do have to figure out breakfast, even though it is 2 p.m. Brunch. Figure out brunch. I think my plan is today, so I have beef and chicken. I don't eat a lot of chicken, but I did get some chicken wings, I've been craving them. So I think I might do sweet potato fries, homemade sweet potato fries with some chicken wings for brunch. And then for dinner, just some like rice with beef and beans and Brussels sprouts. A veggie mixture, if you will. So yeah, let's go sit at my favorite spot and drink the rest of my tea. And by rest of it, I do mean all of it because I've not even touched it yet. Okay, I like to sit right here and ignore my desk because we're going to be cleaning it today. And I like to just take this time to look outside and see what the world is doing. Now I close this so you can't see what's outside, but I like to just sit here and stare outside and think and just enjoy the tea. And then I also like to spend this time trying to learn a new skill. So I will sometimes put on a video or read a book or something, but I like to just initially just sit out and watch the nothing in the world go by. So tea is done, and I decided to learn about celebrities who are criminally charged with things today, only because when I opened my phone and went to the Twitter app, that's what I found. Is this something that's worth learning? I think yes, because then you know who and why to support them or not support them, but also not normally what I learn. So yeah, I'm gonna wait a half hour, and I think I might cook food during that half hour and then eat some breakfast. So let's go make it. So, hi, welcome to the kitchen. I think, as I said, I'm going to make chicken wings, sweet potato fries, and probably some like green beans on the side. I think that's the plan. Now I'm gonna use our air fryer because it makes really good chicken wings and fries, and I will season it up and get it all ready. Let's do that. And since I am working with a nutritionist right now to kind of figure out what's going on with my body, I do have to track everything I eat just so we can figure out what's going on. Right now we are looking into potentially having a histamine issue, which means I can't eat my favorite food, which is mushrooms. And it's okay, I'm fine with it, but also not. So we're doing that. I usually eat 5 grams of chicken, but I just realized that because they're bones, let me figure this out. I touched it with these hands. This finger is fine. I feel like because these are wings, there's the bones. I'm gonna account for the bone. So I'm gonna actually put in, I think 10, because I feel like the bones will make up for that. So they've been washed. I'm gonna do a Greek seasoning, I think. I was gonna go for like a peri-peri or cumin, because I do like a good cumin, but I think I kind of feel like Greek. Now my plants right now, my herbs are not doing too great, so I can't use them. I don't know what's going on with them, so we'll just use some dried stuff that I have. Hit it with the pepper. A little bit of lemon. I really do mean like a little bit. I think that's gonna be good. Okay. I'm going to do this, and then also I'm going to get the sweet potato fries because, as you see, it's not like fully done. Well, it's not fully done, so like it's not fully covered. So I'm gonna do half chicken, half sweet potatoes, and then I think I'll have a pretty good meal. I'm excited. Normally 180 is half, so let's just double check that. That's more than it. Now again, normally I don't measure my food out this much. I usually eyeball it because I kind of know how much stuff is. But because I am working with a nutritionist and we're trying to figure out what's going on, we're just using exact measurements of everything just so that I know like what is affecting me and why. And so she can tell me, well, more so she can tell me what's affecting me and why. I can tell her like, hey, this food didn't make me feel good, but she can tell me the why of it or explain what other foods might not work if that's the case. Okay, cool. I'm gonna get a different bowl. Now, it looks the same, but it's not. Put that in there. Boop, boop, boop. And now these I'll put the peri-peri seasoning on, but I'll put them on after they're done. A teaspoon of olive oil. Have that nice and coated. That's why I held the knife down. So now I'm gonna put it on here. Now for this I'm gonna eyeball it because I do this all the time. So I'm gonna do about half a cup of beans, which should be like that much beans. We'll make a half a cup. Once I've cut off the bad bits, and by bad bits I just mean the little stems. Okay, and I normally cut them in to like, because I cut them with rice, but I'm not doing that today, so I'm just gonna keep them like this. I'll just cook them with some butter and some seasoning. A teaspoon. I promise you it's a teaspoon. The chicken is already smelling delicious. We haven't even done anything yet. Honestly, I kind of just want like really simple beans today, so I'm gonna like just do some salt. I'll tell you what, I'm just gonna finish cooking and I'll come back when I'm done with my food and we can eat. And then we can set up my new desk. Well, not new. We can set up my desk. Okay, so food is done. It is just literally chicken, sweet potato fries, and some green beans I've already eaten a little bit of, but yeah, it's a little cold. It's not cold, it's just like a little, not as piping hot as it could have been. I ended up having to go do some stuff. So I'm gonna first take a swig of aloe vera juice. I'm the only one that drinks out of this, so it's okay that I do this. It just helps coat my stomach. And then I do also have a digestive enzyme to take a few bites in. So I've never actually made these by myself. Yeah, delicious. Amazing. Like I said, I don't really eat chicken often. It doesn't make me always feel good, but I've been really craving it lately, so. I decided to listen to my body. These are actually pretty good.